Today is the day after Shook Up English Camp, and now we're in Wrodzisław, and we're going to hang out on a spider web. We've now just exited the forest and reached civilization again. We're about to meet Natalia's dog.
Oh, so cute! Oh. Ew! So much snot!
Maciek! No, this one B. Yogi! Chodź, Yogi, zobacz!
Like so excited.
We're playing cat and mouse in a maze, and I'm hiding in the corner. Miłosz is the cat. Go, go, go! No!
Who's not a cat?
Are you a cat?
I'm a cat.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, Joel's not a cat! Joel's not a cat!
Ah. Go, 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 go! Ah, no. Joel's a cat!
Joel's a cat! I panicked. I panicked.
This cat and mouse game is really exhausting.
Happy birthday to you! We have to get you in the box.
Happy birthday to you. That's happy birthday, dear Jonna.
Dustin,
Happy birthday to you. Oh, yay!
This is what happens when you sprain your ankle playing cat and mouse.
You heard about it? That's how Polish childs play. It's normal, okay? Guys, you can all say goodbye to Jonasz because you will not see him.
The Polish friends wanted to take the shortcut through the woods and go really fast, but I ended up getting really far ahead.
Hey nature, I want to go.
I think I'm gonna go home.
Why?
Like, look at me.
I like this look.
Well, it's, yeah, I
It's okay.
probably want to do the same thing, but...
Don't laugh because I'm gonna cry. I think we don't have time for that.
Well, we do.
It's a nice color, though.
Okay.
I'll take it from
Okay,
right there.
How was the ice cream?
It's okay, it's very good. I haven't ate them before and they are fine, completely fine.
Piętro czwarte. Uwaga, drzwi się otwierają.
Nice.
I need someone to hold this. Just figure out how to do this the best way. Frick, it's heavy.
Chest. Well, okay, he's there.
Wait. There's something wet.
Oh, the sun's kind of that.
Okay, we just have to be quiet because there's a house right there. And there's windows, so flashlights off at the front. Flashlight off. Jesus.
Thomas, Nathan, and I are on the roof. So, we out here.
Stress really on that you try jumping across.
Oh, okay, Spider-Man.
Nothing.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. I win, you jump. I jump. If we get different numbers, you jump. If we get the same numbers, I jump.
What? Okay. Brandon,
Actually do it.
Brandon, count us.
2, 1.
1.
2.
That was stressful. Somehow,
Just,
black guy
just
jumped
keeps
across the whole.
I jumped it.
Okay. Just on the roof, standing on things that look charred. Whatever that is.
What are the odds you jump across? You good?
Good. Okay. We in here. Proszę dzięki. Chest. Yes, down.
You're supposed to do
Okay, we're here.
This is either gonna be a good shot or it's gonna go on some fail thing on YouTube. Oh, think we're good. What's gonna happen?
That was a bad decision, Nathan. Going in backwards. Like, it's actually falling on the table.
Good.
Just keep swimming. Just keep.
These were literally like half of it was like off. And I sat and I was like, oh, that's cool.
Well, that was another year of the roof.
That was it?
That's it.